I recently challenged you all to the very first VR Halloween game jam, and you all did not disappoint. The theme of the jam was Afraid of the Dark, and you guys came up with some really creative things. Let's take Moonlight Mysteries, for example. Created by Koku Touchichi, this immersive experience has you sitting in the backseat as you cruise through the woods with your brother and his girlfriend. Things go sideways when your brother hits a strange creature in the woods and gets out to investigate. The atmosphere in this game is amazing, and that music is some of the best. The only thing that beats any of that is the logo on the back of the jersey. No game embraced the dark more than Completely Dark by Dennis. When you load into the first level, all you see is this blue rod in front of you. Without any more context, you pick it up and start waving it around. Eventually, you'll tap the ground and you'll see the true genius of this game. A game that uses echolocation to map out everything around you as you tap your way through the level. I think this gameplay is incredibly clever, and seeing what this could expand into in the future would be very interesting. Then we have Night in the Mansion by Bumpo Bampo. If you've ever wanted to be the thing that goes bump in the night, then this is probably the game for you. You play as a ghost trying to scare away annoying teenagers who are invading your haunted mansion. Every piece in this room just seems like a real room. The entire thing is just very polished, and the sound design fits together very well, especially the ghost explaining everything in the beginning.
You have until midnight to scare him as much as possible.
Ludark Panic by Ian Lindsay was another game that was extremely polished and looked great. All you had to do was remove a key without touching the edges of a wire and you're free to go. Anytime you touch the edges though, and you'd be sent to a minigame and had to survive. I'll say this, one thing Ian definitely has mastered is the jump scare. Our third place winner was Whispers in the Dark by Easy Games. You start off in your living room when all of a sudden the lights go out. From there, you're challenged to find a flashlight so you can go into the woods and fix whatever's knocked out your power. The only problem is there's a giant monster waiting to hunt you outside. This game had so many cool effects and really superb sound design. That lightning and thunder effect was chef's kiss. Oh, and the monster, terrifying. Second place went to Lost and Found by Bouncy Castle Games. This game is a procedurally generated backrooms maze. Your objective? Find the 7 missing audio logs from the last person who fell into this endless abyss. Now, the voice acting in the audio logs is absolutely amazing. Just listen to this.
4-7. A bit of an unexpected deviation, I guess.
Now, if the audio logs aren't creepy enough, the lighting and the sound design alone are enough to creep me out, even though there's nothing chasing me down here. Otherwise, I don't think I would have been able to finish this one. Out of the depths of darkness comes first place with Premature Illumination by Beard or Die. It turns out, being afraid of the dark isn't all that bad when you have comedy and jokes on your side. The premise is simple. You're given a gun that shoots and fixes lights. What really stole the show here, though, is our little skeleton friend over here and his great humor.
Oh, nice try, but I'm already dead, you idiot.
Now, as you play through the game, it continues to surprise you with great gags and even more comedy. Massive congratulations to Beard or Die for absolutely dominating this game jam. Who knew that when presented the theme, Afraid of the Dark, the scariest thing out there was your jokes?
What did that little guy ever do to you? His name was Kevin. He was my friend. What's wrong with you? He had 2 kids.
Seriously though, they were really funny. This game jam was a massive success. Thank you everyone who participated, and congratulations to everyone who tried really hard, submitted something, or even worked on something that they didn't submit. It's not easy doing a game jam, and you should be proud of all the hard work you put in. A big shout out to the Patreon supporters. Without you, I can't host game jams like this, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!